Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video from YamparalaMedia. I'm your host Rahul, and in today's video, we will be going through a new tool called as Magic Patterns. So it's an AI design tool. So we'll be going through it, we'll be analyzing its onboarding, we'll be testing it, how it generates the design, and for a new designer who is getting into UI UX, how this could be helpful, and more on it. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my screen. So Magic Patterns is a site. So we'll go on the site first. Let's analyze what's their plan, and what's the pricing and everything. So when you come on to the home page, you can see that there are a lot of other designs that they are showcasing. There's a big text with get started for free. So it's a free tool. So in the free tier, you can see that you have maybe one or two projects availability, and you can get started on that directly. So I already logged in with it, and let me just log out so that we can see how the onboarding flow. So let's sign up. Okay, this is something different. Okay, let's get started for free. So this is their onboarding, and you can see one small touch that being shown here is this one. So previously when I landed on this, like the first test that I did for my own case, I used Google login and it recognized that, and you can see that the last used tag is there. So this helps users to come back and without further more of cognitive load for them to see, okay, to understand or to think that, okay, last time when I came onto this site, where I like how I signed in, how I logged in. So you can use that data, like I have used Google sign in. So okay, next time when I'm coming back, show me that. So this is what they have done. So let's click on continue with Google and go with the account that I got it. So once I did that, it loads up, and now this is the second screen that they are showing. Here they are asking like what about me. So I'm going to select UI UX designer and heard about this tool from my friend and continue. Now you can see that instead of doing the first two steps, now every designer, every like UX designer tends to take the user from this particular screen to a full screen view where they need to enter the prompt and everything. But here, instead of going to the another screen, I'm being presented with the main UI itself, the main starting UI itself, here itself. And one more thing is that the consistency of showing what you can do with this particular tool is being shown on the right side, which is this one. So let's create a dashboard, which I'm currently working on, which is related to Web3, and it's a hedge fund application. So let's create a basic starting UI for that. So I want to create a SaaS dashboard showing invested value, invested amount, current value, and ROI. So this is what a first thing that I have in my mind. I dropped it. Let's see how it generates the design. So here we have the first thing, like the time it takes to open up the UI and show me the design. They are showing me an onboarding process, like how to use the application. So welcome to Magic Patterns. I click on continue. So this is called progress indicators. So command, they are showing command how I can do. Okay, begin your message with / to access dedicated functions. Okay, got it. Feature rich design tool. Great. Need help? Just respond. Okay. So yeah, this seems really good. So investment dashboard, track your investments performance. So as I have given it, invested amount, current value, and ROI. So let's explore the UI of this. So you can see I'm currently interacting with it. If I click on edit, I can see the code, and I can see the individual blocks that being created, and I can edit them. So let's make these. So I want this to be not edit code, but change to update. Yeah. So inspiration, polish. Okay. I'm not able to see the commands fully. Okay, yeah. So I want it to be polished. I want it to be like tags. And here I'm able to see that how much tokens being used. So let's see. Estimated cost of prompt, 1 credit per each. I would like to see that how many credits I have on this screen somewhere, but I'm not. Whoa, great. Nice. So you can see like now I'm having the code, plus I can create the design within it and even edit it. And I'm also suppose like I think that this is responsive. Yeah, this is responsive. Even great. So let's edit it. And I want this one. I would like to change this particular box. I want to move it according to me. Instead of me clicking here and there and it getting displaced from the place where I clicked, I would like it to be moving. So I want the plus 2.1 percentage in tag, and the rest text from last month should be like versus last month. last Jan month, where Jan is variable and shows previous month. So what I'm doing right now here is I'm creating the tag in a two format. One is the number and second one is the text. And in the text, I don't want it to be from last month, because now the user need to think that okay, last month what it was. Like, I don't even want to put pressure on the user's mind. So directly, instead of telling last month, we can say Jan month, because we know it which month have been passed. So there are a lot of tools that are coming up, and one of which I have used previously before using this one is called bold.new. That was also very promising, but it was more centric to the developers. Now this one is something which is unique and which is more better in terms of as a designer. Now you can see that it also changed to this one, but it's not responsive much. Yeah. Now next, what I want to do is, let's change it. So what I want, like suppose I have clicked on it, and if I'm clicking outside, I want it to be go away. I don't want it to move with me. And this is a message for Magic Patterns. If they are watching this video, then they should do this particular change, because it's annoying to me. So now I'm just changing it. So what I want is, I want it to be below the 30 percentage plus 2.1 percentage. So let's see how it goes. So here you can see that my basic messaging limit is over. So if the Magic Patterns are seeing this, so any designer who comes onto this platform and tries out will require somewhat at least 200 to 300 credits, or something which he can explore more. Now I'm not that explored and I'm being shown the paywall. Yes, that's true that I loved the application. I would definitely like to explore more, but there should be some way that I can see that how many credits I'm being used, like how I am using it. Because okay, for this component I have used this much, so I can calculate it better and use the application more better from a user perspective. But now, not right now. And now you can see, okay, so now at this stage the application stopped creating the design. And this is what this tool is all about. Like, every tool is like that only. I would like to see the tools to be free. Okay, you should take the money, but let the user explore it that much that they are more comfortable to pay you. I like the responsive of desktop to mobile. That's good. I like the icon selection, but it's just a starting stage. So that's it, guys. I don't think that is much more to talk about this particular tool. Check it out and keep learning some new design tools that you can explore and have it in your process, so that you don't need to start from scratch. So ending this video with that, I hope you have learned something, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.